you walk in this house, you feel like you're on vacation. Look how bright and airy the whole space is. And of course, you can notice it was designed and decorated by a professional. This great flex space could be adapted in a third bedroom, which is done in many other models of this particular home. This outdoor space has everything: turf area, paver brick, beautiful native plants, sitting area right here, and over here, this is the space for your future summer kitchen with all of the utilities connected, and your TV goes right there.